be spicy, but one more time.
Today, the friends are having a barbecue party.
It's ready to eat.
Wow! That's so good! Yeah, I wish I could eat this every day.
Do you want to take some home?
Really?
A week later, the friends are playing soccer.
Over here!
No way! Pororo!
Oh, nice pass! Krong, one more time!
Pororo, that pass was to you.
I'm not in great shape. Eddie, help me up.
Oh my.
Come on, pull harder. Finally. Pororo, why can't you get up on your own? What? Pororo has been eating only beef all week?
He hasn't eaten any vegetables?
Oh, that's because it's so good. That's why you gain weight. It's okay. Let's play another soccer match.
Okay, I'm on Betty's team.
Okay. What about me?
What? If we're on your team, it's obvious we're gonna lose.
What? It's obvious you're going to lose? I'm out.
Pororo!
So I'm a little heavier.
You'll be fine after you eat some vegetables.
But vegetables don't taste good.
There is a way to make them taste good. Here, it's a salad with some yummy dressing.
Loopy, it's still just vegetables.
Then how about trying stir-fried vegetables in sesame oil?
It does smell good, but I'm still not going to eat it.
Come on, you also have to eat vegetables.
Forget it. I don't like vegetables. I'm leaving.
Pororo. Oh.
What? Pororo still won't eat vegetables?
Then what should we do now?
I have a good idea. Here.
What's this?
It's red pepper paste.
Let's see. Oh, it's spicy.
It's a little spicy, but it will definitely help Pororo eat vegetables.
Okay, but how?
I have a good idea. Yummy, yummy, Cooking Princess, Loopy. Yummy, yummy food and healthy recipes. Happy, happy Cooking Princess Loopy.
Wow!
What is today's dish? It's bibimbap, rice and vegetables mixed with red pepper paste.
I wonder if Pororo will eat bibimbap.
That's why I need your help. Gather around.
Oh, I'm so hungry. Where is everyone? Oh, those sounds are coming from Loopy's house. Let's check it out. This is where you've all been.
Hi,
What were you doing? Loopy made yummy mixed vegetables with red pepper paste. You try it too. Vegetables again? No thanks. Okay, then let's eat by ourselves.
Okay, let's eat.
I didn't want it anyway.
It's so good.
Wow, it tastes so good!
It's the best.
Is it really that good? Too bad for Pororo. It's so good.
What can we do? He doesn't want to eat it.
Maybe I'll just try one bite.
Sure, give it a try.
There's no way vegetables can taste good. Let's see. Oh, are these really vegetables?
That's right. What do you think?
It's slightly spicy, but it's really good.
The spice makes it better.
Wow, it's so good I can't stop.
It looks like Pororo likes the bibimbap with red pepper paste.